Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Messenger on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! So, all you want to do is just enter your Play Store, but I will restart the Play Store just in case. And this is the fresh Play Store screen, and you want to make sure that you are logged in into a Google account, because if you aren't logged in into a Google account, you won't be able to install things for here. But after you have done that, after you have added your Google account, and by the way, if you don't know how to do it, you can always watch our tutorial on that topic. But we can now enter search bar, and we can start typing in Messenger, and usually a couple of first letters will just do their job, because search bar actually suggests pretty well. And now, you want to ignore whatever is going to display at first, because it's a sponsored tab and usually it's not anything you actually want to install, like in our case it's ChatGPT. And a very extra warning when coming to install Messenger, you want to make sure that you're installing the right application, and you can test that by seeing who is the developer. And of course we want to be downloading the application from the publisher of Meta platforms, because as you can see there are plenty of different messaging applications. Somehow they kind of look similar, like I totally can get why, for example, someone would think that this is Messenger, even though it's not, even though it has only it has only 500,000 downloads. It is not the official Messenger. You will get scammed. It probably has ads. Hard to predict. So make sure that the icon looks somehow similar, and always check the developer. But now we can install it. If you have poor interconnection, you could go into auto open when app is ready. But as you can see, that was pretty fast download, and now you can just open the application. And you can log in by your Meta Quest, sorry, not Meta Quest. You can log in by your Meta account, and you can just start typing in with your friends, family, maybe even enemies, or whoever else. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.